going to show you how to update the CPU microcode on a Debian-based Linux system. This is something you should be doing to protect against the zombie load family of vulnerabilities. The other things you have to do are disable SMT and update your kernel. And don't forget, you can get rebootless protection for these and other vulnerabilities by installing KernelCare. So, before I start, I'll just remind you that you only need to update microcode on physical machines, not VMs or containers. Okay, so this is Debian 9 on a 4.9 kernel. I'll use dmesg and grep to check the current microcode version. I've already downloaded the microcode package for the system, so I'll move it to a subdirectory and extract the D package -X. Let's see what we've got. Now I'll copy the microcode to lib firmware and put a 1 in the reload file to trigger a reload of the new firmware, and check again with dmesg. That's all there is to it. If you need any more help, visit us at KernelCare.com. Thanks!